Okay, I didn't take any before and afters, but I realized there's not very many how-tos on taking these emblems off. So I'll show you what I have. You want to stick a spanner wrench or an adjustable or really anything that can grab on in here, in these gaps, and grab it with something else. I had to improvise a spanner wrench, but you want to turn this about 1/8 of a turn. And this was really hard. This was a little scary just because that black plastic grill behind it that it's mounted on is expensive, and I really didn't want to break it. But if you saw on that close-up, it was sort of welded on or melted on, probably just from years of engine heat cycles. But you kind of just got to keep going, keep twisting, and it'll come off. And to get the new one in, you just do the reverse of that. So the back's a little different. It just has tabs, but I'll be honest, I ended up just destroying this, so all these fancy trim tools were useless. Mine was pretty brittle, so I just ripped it all off. Don't worry about it though, if you have a replacement. So I had a color match vinyl for this. I tried to spread it from the center like you would any other vinyl. There's too much in the way, so I ended up just using my hands and toss the card. But you do want to work from the center out to get those bubbles out. And then I ended up scoring it with a razor. It just settled in better. And then I applied some heat with this torch style lighter to get it to adhere a little better. And then you just push it straight in. Make sure it's locked all the way. You don't want this thing flying out, but it ended up looking really good. I definitely recommend these. I'm going to put the parts in the description so you guys can check these out. But that's pretty much it.